Welcome to Acoustical Solutions. In this video, we will review some key quality and performance differences between kit-style doors, which are designed to be assembled on-site, and Acoustical Solutions pre-assembled IAC Noise-Lock Doors. When considering acoustical performance and total cost of ownership, we'll demonstrate why our Noise-Lock Door has become the industry's leading acoustical door solution. Our IAC Noise-Lock doors come pre-assembled to exacting specifications and arrive in one piece ready to install, while kit-style doors must be assembled on-site, which may result in installation errors, poor acoustical performance, and costly maintenance. Our state-of-the-art IAC Noise-Lock doors are equipped with factory-installed, self-aligning magnetic seals, which provide exact alignment, easy operation, and the best possible acoustical seal. Kit-style doors use lower quality field-applied seals, which provide inferior acoustical performance and can make the doors difficult to open and close. Our exclusive cam lift hinges, combined with a static door bottom, provide a superior bottom seal unequaled in the industry. As the door opens, the cam lift hinge lifts the door upward to protect the critical bottom seal and then fully compresses when the door is closed, providing a superior acoustical seal. Kit-style doors use common, residential-grade door hinges and a plunger-style bottom seal that can fail over time, requiring costly repairs. Door aesthetics are commonly overlooked during the specification process. Kit-style doors often have exposed fasteners, detracting from their appearance. Our IAC Noise-Lock doors offer superior overall appearance and no exposed fasteners. The result is a refined, finished look suitable for premier venues and professional settings. The bottom line is, all acoustical doors are not created equal. If you have a performance space, conference room, broadcast facility, or any other venue that requires guaranteed acoustic performance with an upscale, finished appearance, IAC Noise-Lock doors provide the ultimate risk-free solution. To find out more about acoustical doors, the Noise-Lock STC rating guarantee, and our turnkey installation services, please visit us at acousticalsolutions.com or give us a call.